BMW. Looking for a fleet, a street to bring trouble to. Hope I got a deal for real in a month or two. Trying to get my currency and show you what the hustle do. That's a warm up cause factions get torn up. When I'm rapping with passion, get your form up. Like Ray Allen, I stay styling. Go hard, never run far like a stallion. Keep mine legit, talking slick like Italians. Everybody mad, I'm on top like a scallion. Man, I'm like Pacquiao crossed with a little Michael Phelps. All I need is my gold medals and title belts. You can call me Black Dynamite, I explode. On the beat all through the night, got an info. And my sheets is where I like to write it. Aw, damn. Retarded. You can call me Black Dynamite cause I explode. On the beat all through the night, got an info. In my sheets I like to write all the sick flows. Until my dreads grow, man, your boy got the soul flow. From 92 chill like a backhoe. Don't slack or end up sucking like a black hole. Double tapping zombies dropping undead bodies. Managing to do more damage than karate. You got on little ass clothes, no snotty. You look like a child, you're too young to party. This music is my life, man, it's more than a hobby. So as far as living out my dreams, you can't stop me. Catch my mind sliding like it's playing hockey. Pursuing the different shades of green, so I say it's broccoli. On top of veggies, I wanna own my property. You're gonna see a lot on the Boss Town walk with me. Niggas bitch be pistol packing, but I'ma stick to rapping. Cause my verse is packed with action like a movie. With Jason Statham or a game of Call of Duty. So I don't need a tool to break them. Women will crave them, niggas will hate them. But my concerns is paper chasing. In the music making, in the legalization, cause I keep that blazing, yeah.